Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Melanie and I just do food hauls. So once a week I do a weekly food haul from Asda, and in the week I normally pop in and do a top-up shop. Last week I did about 3 top-up shops, but when I went I only picked 1 or 2 items up, so I didn't think to film. It's only Monday and I did go to the shop on Friday, but there was things I forgot. And the main thing I went for today, I actually forgot, even though I needed it. So I'm going to have to substitute it with something else. So the first 2 things I got are sparkling apple and mango flavoured water. This is my favourite one that my Asda do. I don't know how many flavours they do, but mine does about 4. The other one's peach, there's a summer fruits, and there's lemon and lime. I don't like the other 2. The peach one's okay, but it's not as good as Lidl. But this is the one that I tend to get. Then I got 4 bananas. I got the Essentials lemons. I mean, I just get them because they're only 50p. And it's just for hot honey, lemon and ginger. And I did get some ginger, but I have some in the fridge that I can use up first. Then I did get a full pack of these. I have had one because I needed to take a tablet. And I can't swallow tablets. So I've picked them up because I've eaten the majority of my snacks that I got the other day, except for my crisps. Everything else that I showed you I've eaten, because I had one of those weekends where I was upset, stressed out, and I ate a lot of chocolate apparently. I mean, oh, that chocolate bar that I got was good. I should have got one of them today. I did think of getting one. Then I got Claritin because mine ran out a couple of days ago, and today I woke up and I felt horrendous. I was all sneezy and blocked nose and felt really rubbish. It's not working as well yet, unfortunately, because I had it 2-3 hours ago, but I got them. Then I have a broccoli because I got one the other day and I realised I need 2. Excuse me, I knew that was coming and I'm not editing it, so yeah, I told you I was sneezing. Pack of fizzers, just because I saw them in like the drink section, do you know where I get the sparkling water? Just thought that was a random thing to have in that section. Then I got a 4-pack of Orange Lucozade. I did try and get 1 cold one, but the only cold ones that they had was the original one. A little bag of potatoes. I should have got a bigger bag of them because I've only got a few left from the pack that I got on Friday. Then I spotted these, which they didn't have the other day. They do the chocolate ones and the strawberry ones, and I should have got both, but I didn't. And everyone that I've seen has said the chocolate one was the best one. But I had it, and the texture is like a ring donut. Do you know the sugar donuts? It's the same sort of texture, but the chocolate I wasn't impressed with it. It wasn't horrible, but it wasn't very flavoursome. But then again, it's only 90 calories, so I don't know what I expected. And I think that's everything that I've got. It was just over £12, and I forgot mushrooms for my sausage casserole, which I'm about to make. So I'm going to substitute it with butternut squash because I'm not going to the shop again. But if you have any questions, please feel free to leave them down below. If you're new to my channel or you watch my videos but you aren't subscribed, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell notification button to get an alert when I upload my next video. I should be back on Sunday with the weekly food haul. I may end up in the shop again this week, but it might only be to pick something up like bread or water. So I doubt I will film that. So the next one should be the weekly food haul. I hope your week's going well. Have an amazing weekend and thank you for watching.